What's up everybody, welcome back. Today I'm trying something new. Rather than this be a DIY, it's just going to be an update about the status of the wagon. If you've seen my other videos or you follow me on Instagram, you know that my car has projector headlamps. Those are actually custom built by myself and a friend of mine about 4 years ago. I'd shot a bunch of video to make a DIY and I never did. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, maybe I can put it together. I just got caught up with other stuff that was going on with the car and better videos since it's quite old at this point. I've actually really loved the projectors and they've been really great. But I got a car wash the other day, and after I came out, I saw this weird acid-looking substance dripping from the car. And when I popped the hood, expecting it to be a problem with my battery, the insulation on the wiring of one of the headlights actually melted right off. So I'm not sure what happened. There was a short somewhere, an exposed wire, something happened. Still seems really odd to me that I ran these for 4 years without problems, and then this happened, but I'm just glad nothing caught on fire. So all that being said, that's the end of projectors on my car. So to try something new, I bought a set of regular halogen headlights, but they have the internal fog. I always kind of regretted not making a set of those into my retrofits, so now I'll try them out, see how I like them. If I'm really unhappy with the halogens, then maybe I'll build another set of retrofits, but with an internal fog. The headlamps I bought, one has the black trim and one is all chrome, so I'm kind of torn, I don't know what to do. The projectors were all black, so maybe I'll run the all chromes for a little while, and I can always take them apart, paint them if I want to. My retrofits had glass lenses, so I'm actually going to be swapping those over to the new headlights. The driver's side headlight I bought from Volky Auto Dismantlers, and it looks great, it looks brand new. But the passenger side one is from somebody else, and the lens is all cloudy and fogged. So I'm going to just take both of them apart, swap the glass lenses over. I was pretty happy with those anyway, so I'll keep using them. Well, thanks for checking out my little status video. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know, I'll shoot more. And if you never want to see one again, I'll keep doing DIYs. Stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.